middle of me. Why would anyone want to have something to do with me?
Rivet. Rivet. Whoops! Pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family. Depending on which way
What do you want?
Want?
Go ahead. Get off your chest. You might as well tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There. I hope you feel much better now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hang on a minute. You mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There. See, I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your problem is. You've been putting yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got it down in the mouth. I'm getting nothing here. Nothing. Come on. Give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Hang on a minute. I've got a human in my throat. Oh well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly myself, and it's been downhill ever since. I just say to myself, I'm a beautiful princess in frog's clothing. And someday, someone's gonna come along, kiss me, or lose my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, nah, get real. What's a snog frog? Know what our trouble is?
No.
Our image isn't vogue. It's just a question of taste, but you mark my words, one day ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. And those who sports each season's look will fall, but on their ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle